Hey, welcome my YouTube friends. I'm Vanessa, and today I want to do an album share with you guys. It's something that I created. It's got a junk journal in it, and it has a mini album aspects of it, but it's a folio, and it's made out of chipboard. So welcome, my friends. All right, now if I'm going to be showing this to you. And if you would like for me to do a tutorial right here on my YouTube channel, how to make this album, let me know down in the comments. And if enough of you say that you would like to learn how to make this, I will make it happen for you. And if it does, I am really thinking about when we go to decorating it, I will show you how to make it, and then we'll decorate it together using the new vintage Simple Garden collection by Simple Stories, the collection kit, and then the basic kit, and then I have the chipboard frames and the big ephemera pieces and the bits and pieces. I think this would make a beautiful album. So if you would like to see me do that, let me know down in the comments, please. Yeah, I could make that happen for you. All right. So this album measures 9.5 by 6 3/4. Okay. And it does have a 2-inch spine. And there's the back. And see, we have plenty of room to use the chipboard frames in here. I think it would be perfect. But it opens up. So this side we have like our mini album aspect. This side we have the junk journal aspect. And I just used some ribbon to keep the journal in place. And there's 9 pages, and I did sew it. And this does feature the gift wrap, the brown wrapping paper that you can get at Walmart. I do use that in this. But anyway, and I haven't decorated this yet. And I did use my tearing tools, okay, to do the tearing part here. And I will put the link down below to these if you would like to purchase them. You get 3 of them, and they are We Are Memory Keepers. And it, the link will take you to Amazon, and it does help support my channel. I do earn a small commission from it, and you pay no more for the product than you normally would. So then this flips. And like I said, I haven't decorated this, but I will be decorating it with you with the scraps and stuff that we have left over. And then I just sewn it. Okay. All right. So that's the junk journal aspect of it. Now over here, I do have an acetate window here, and I didn't do it as a pocket, but there may be a few things, you know, if you guys are want to learn how to make this, I would love to make this into a pocket. This one is not a pocket, but I think it would be neat to make this a pocket. So then it flips open, and then you have a pocket here. Okay. Then that flips open, and then you have a pocket here and a pocket here, and then a pocket here. Again, I just use my tearing tools, and you'll see the brown gift wrap paper. I just think it goes nice with this collection. And then here I just some more of the brown wrapping paper to create a little pocket, and you can put your photo right here. And these flip open, and then I use the brown gift wrap paper for photo mats. And then this flips open. You have a belly band, and I just, from the collection, and that flips. Then this flips open. Ah, beautiful collection. And this is the Love Notes by Simple Stories. So then here we have a pocket here, and it'd be nice to have an acetate window here. So I think there. So if you guys want to learn this, I will make some changes with this one. So then just a couple of tags from the collection up here in a little tuck spot, and that folds down, and then this flips open. Ah, beautiful. I hope you guys want to learn how to make this. I'd love to do this again. And then here I just glued it on two sides, and it's like a little tuck spot. Let me see if I can. Oh, it'd just be simpler to grab one of these. It's a little tuck spot. So you can make a little booklet here to go here, or just put your photo here. Okay. And again here, I just use the brown gift wrap paper to kind of highlight the photo map. Then this flips, that flips, and that flips. Gorgeous. And then that flips. Again, just using the little gift wrap. I think I did do it as a little tuck spot. So you can, put your photo here and then a little tuck spot. And that flips. And that flips open. Ah, gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then this flips open. And you have a little tuck spot here for photographs. Then that flips, and this is the end of it. Really simple to make with the wow factor. So you get the mini album aspect of it, and then you have this journal book over here to where you can put your extra photos in here, or write about your, if we're going to do it in the spring collection, you can journal about your spring or even a vacation. This would be perfect for a vacation. Your vacation photos here, and then you can write over here about your traveling. Traveling this would be awesome. And I do have some travel paper by Simple Stories. So we could do a travel or the spring garden one. So let me know down below if you'd like to see it done in travel. I could do it in travel or the spring vintage spring garden one. But this is my Love Notes Folio mini album. It's a folio because there's nothing attached to the spine. But it is made out of chipboard. I would teach you from start to finish on it. And we could I'd even do the decorating classes right along with you. All right. So let me know. All right. So that's all I have for you. I'll let you guys go so you can do some crafting, and we will talk to you guys later. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.